Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can create categories for your projects and work items on Jira. So let us dive into it. Head over to your Jira site and select the project. Let me go with this one here. And what you want to do, guys, is click into these three dots here and more actions next to your project name and select project settings. Here inside your project settings, guys, expand the category drop-down menu, and if you haven't created any category yet, you can do that by clicking into manage categories. Here, that is going to redirect you to that panel here, so you can create a completely new project category. So let me name it, just for the sake of this tutorial, category 1, something like that. You can describe it here below, XYZ 1, 2, 3. Confirm by clicking into add here, and that is going to create your category. So you can delete it or edit it here if you like. So if I head back to my project settings by clicking into these three dots here and by selecting project settings, I will see that here that the category I just created is now available. So you can choose it from that menu, and that's how you create categories on Jira, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.